$16,432 in net profit while trading binary options, and you could have easily copied my trade, and I'm going to show you exactly how. As you can see, today we have made $504 profit, 100% win rate, and $978 in total profit. So you can easily copy this kind of trades to your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, and I'm going to show you in a simple way how you can do it. So if you are new to binary options, or if you are trying to do social trading, copy trading in a profitable way, then do watch this video till the end, and I'm going to explain you each and everything in a simple way. So I'll mainly explain you how you can copy my trades automatically in your account. First thing you need to do is you need to join my Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. That link is in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and join that free Telegram channel, and you need to follow some simple instructions, and you will be able to get my UID. Now once you get that UID, simply copy that UID and come to log into your pocket option account and come to this social trading feature of pocket option, and then just click on here and click on search and enter the UID at here in this way, and a name will appear. This is not my name, this is not me, I'm just showing you it as an example. So once you see this kind of name, then just click on it, okay, and you will see this kind of interface. Ignore everything, just click on copy, and you will see these 4 boxes. Now I would suggest you to leave empty these 3 boxes because there are reason, okay. So let's say I make $200 per trade in each trade. As you can see here, our max trade and minimum trade is $200 per trade, so we only make $200 per trade in each trade, neither up nor down, okay. So that means if you copy 100% of our trade, then that means you will be copying our $200 per trade. But if you copy 1% of our trade, then you will be automatically copying $2 per trade whenever I make $200 per trade, okay. So 1% is equals to $2. In that ratio you can calculate. If you want to like copy $20 per trade, then make it 10%. If you want to copy $100 per trade, then make it 50%. In this way you can move this copy in proportion up and down, okay, and leave everything empty. If you want to use stop balance, that's your choice, but I would suggest you to not use, because what I have found with some of my Telegram subscribers, that if they use stop loss, then like if I make 3 trades, they only copy 1 trade or 2 trade for some reason. I don't know what's the reason, but that is happening. That's why I would suggest you to put the stop balance to 1. Once you do this much, simply click on confirm, and you are done. You will start to automatically copy my trades in your pocket option account. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.